Hey there guys, today we're gonna learn how to make a Roblox racing game. Previously, if somebody were to ask you, can you please make me a Roblox racing game? You probably would say, yes, of course, no problem, but I would have to charge you 100,000 Robux to do it, because it takes a lot of work to do. But today I'm gonna show you an easy way to make a Roblox racing game, so the next time somebody asks you, can you please make me a Roblox racing game? You would tell them, sure, no problem. Just give me 1,000 Robux and I will give you a Roblox racing game. Let's now open up Roblox Studio and learn how to do it. Once you have Roblox Studio open, go ahead and click on the New tab. And then we want to select the Racing template. To make a Roblox racing game, all you have to do is to go to File, do a Publish to Roblox. Here I have entered the name of the game, the description of the game, and I have turned off Team Create. Click on Create to create your game. Now if you want to make this game public, click on Game Settings, click on Permissions, click on Public, Save. Now go to File, Publish to Roblox. You can also customize this game to make it your own. For example, you can go up here and search for engine. Click on engine, go to the properties window, and you have all these attributes that you can adjust. For example, here you have the nitro, you have the acceleration, you have the braking, deceleration, and all this other stuff. So you can look through it and you can adjust these attributes to customize your car. Now here you see we have all these checkpoints. They are also customizable. So for example, I'm going to click on a checkpoint here and it goes to the race folder or the race model. You expand the race model, you get a folder. There's a checkpoints folder, expand that, and you have all these checkpoints in here. So you can add or remove checkpoints in here. Once you rearrange your checkpoints, just make sure you set the order correctly. So it has to go in order, checkpoint 1, 2, 3, 4 in order. I'll take a look on this side over here. You see you have all the different parts that makes up the track. So you can actually remove these parts and then you can replace it with another part. This one is, you need to turn this one around, but you see what I mean? You can just take another part and put it in. So this way you can customize your track to any shape or form that you like. Once you're done, don't forget to publish your changes to Roblox. And now let's go and check out this game on Roblox. Here we are. This is the game that we have just made. Let's press play and take a look. Okay, so now let's go and take a look. Here's the garage, and you can spawn a car here just by pressing and hold down the E key. And there's the car. You can go into the car and drive. Press E and hold down the E key again and go forward to drive. Over here, there's another spot that you can spawn the car in. And then you want to go into this area here. It's a waiting area. Okay, so we're just gonna wait in there till the game starts. It's gonna start in 5 seconds, and it's waiting for more players to come in as well. But in this case, I'm the only one in the game. And look over here, you have left shift is for nitro, space bar is for handbrake. You can cycle the cameras, so press C, you can change the cameras, and E is to exit. So let's press W and go forward, and left shift for nitro. Wow, look at that. Woohoo! We got ourselves a racing game, guys. So there you have it, guys. That's how you make a racing game in Roblox. See you later. I'm going the wrong way. Going back to the garage. Whoa! This is wow. Nitro. Woohoo!